up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. We're out here riding around in this crazy storm that we're supposed to be having. But the good thing is we out here riding around in all-wheel drive Escalade.
Yeah.
Escalade
D.
Escalade D, sorry. You know, I always have to get corrected for that. But yeah, I wanted y'all to see some of this on these little back turns that I gotta go around. Somebody come around this thing wrong.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah. Cloud truck, all that. He done came through here so fast. Boy, I'm gonna say again, I'm so glad the Magnum is at the shop. Except for when I go to the parking lot to have fun with it. But yeah. And this is only the beginning. Yes sir, it's your boy CeeLo Smoking Metal Car Fun out here in the good snow blizzard. Y'all can see. We out here getting our cruise on. It's getting worse. We got more snow to come. All day through the night. VA is supposed to get...
Our area is supposed to get 7 inches today and 9 tonight.
Yeah. It's a lot. Just say it's white out here. Already had one person have an accident directly behind us. Now, it was almost a 3-car pileup, but I pulled up. I pay attention to my surroundings. I pulled up when the other car started sliding. I ain't gonna lie, I should have got it on video, but I was too busy like worried about the person. So I'm like, do I need to call 911? So by the time I came to the truck, got my phone to call 911 and got out and walked back. The lady was like, I already called him. I'm like, all right, cool. So didn't get to call 911 for the people and didn't even get to get no video footage. So I'm a little upset about it. But we good, no accidents. Infinity in front of me, knowing he should be parked. He fishtailing everywhere. He still doing like this, trying to go. That's that front wheel drive. Escalade does awesome, man, in the snow. Does very good. And we still got more snow to come. So y'all are seeing about what we're supposed to get 7 during the day. 7 inches today. And then through the night we're supposed to get like 9. So the weatherman said. We're gonna see. Wish the Magnum wasn't in the shop. I can have some fun with that. I don't know how much fun I'm gonna have with the Escalade. I don't think it's gonna do like my Yukon did. We're gonna see if we can get some footage. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of this driving out here in this weather. So I'll get back with y'all in a little while. love it. So run home.